Welcome to Generac. We're at our Oshkosh facility. My name is Todd Meyer. This is Joel DeWall and Rick Lincoln. We're here today because we'd like to show you our latest spark ignited 1 megawatt natural gas gaseous generator. You guys ready to come check this out? Starting with the engine, it's a 49-liter V12. We have 4 turbochargers with custom tooled stainless steel turbine housings. We have heavy-duty air cleaners. We have a MotorTech ignition system throughout the MotorTech ignition module. We got MotorTech coils. We have a MotorTech 100mm integrated throttle. We have 4 8D batteries wired 24 volts to ensure reliable starting. We have our circulating water jacket heater and our forced circulation oil heater for ensuring reliable starting in cold climates. Let's go over to the other side and take a look. Here we have our MotorTech knock sense detection system, which is a standard feature of this genset. Our cooling package utilizes a 76-inch diameter cooling fan with an aluminum radiator and charge air cooler. The fan produces 55,000 cubic feet per minute of airflow. Next, let's talk about the enclosure. This is our brand new enclosure designed specifically for this genset application. It comes in 3 varieties. We have a weather protected, a level 1 acoustic, and a level 2 acoustic, which goes down to 75 decibels at 7 meter average on the A scale. The enclosure is available in both steel and aluminum material options with a fully nested exhaust system. Let's take a little closer look at the exhaust system. Here we have 4 catalysts to meet the most demanding of emissions compliance. We also have our new stainless steel critical grade exhaust silencer, which is standard with an enclosed genset. We also have a stainless steel hospital grade exhaust silencer for non-enclosed indoor applications. Now let's turn it over to Joel DeWall to talk about controls.
Thanks, Todd, for that quick introduction. I'm Joel DeWall, Senior Director of Engineering, and some of the things that I'd like to show you today are around our 4 core technologies that we use in our engineering department to keep us innovative in the marketplace. Those 4 core technologies are our engines, alternators, transfer switches, and controls. What I'd first like to show you is our controls and our section that we have. Our control platform that we are using that has all been designed in-house is what we call our PowerZone Pro. This model is our PowerZone Pro Sync. It is operational for both a single unit generator and for our MPS or multiple unit generator applications. We start with our 7-inch color touchscreen, which gives the user a lot of information quickly and easily. It also allows him to navigate through the pages to be able to find deeper information if he needs more detail on how his unit's running. We also offer, with that web server, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth built in, the ability to connect any mobile device, tablet, phone, laptop, so that what the customer sees on his display, he can also see on a remote mobile device, giving him all the information he needs. It is also our full authority control system. So not only does it have configurable I/O, but it also allows us to do all of our alarms, warnings, and protections for everything else that you see in the system. Along with those protections, we also have a great history log that allows customers to be able to easily diagnose what's happened to their unit should they need to find out if there's troubleshooting involved. We also have the ability to do remote trending and logging. So if a customer wants to know how his unit's operating over a course of a month or a year, he can set up trending to be able to gather some of those valuable data points for him, and he can analyze those later. Also built into this is integration. We integrate a lot of the control systems that are all throughout the unit, one of those being our air-fuel ratio control. Our air-fuel ratio control and ignition system are one of the most important pieces of this spark-ignited engine. And with integration of all these controls into one main control system, it allows us to get the best performance and transient response that we can out of this engine, even into opportunities like a 10-second start for NFPA 110 applications. We also build in our automatic voltage regulator. So now that you've got 3 or 4 different components that are out on the system operating together, all managed by one main control system, we can do certain things with integration to continue to improve this product into the future. Now I'd like to hand it off to Rick Lincoln for further introductions on the natural gas supply system and other applications.
Thanks, Joel. Now I'd like to take you through our fuel system. We have some very innovative things going on in our fuel system here. Natural gas comes into the generator set down here, comes into our fuel system with shutoff valves and regulator, and we constantly monitor the incoming fuel pressure. We bring that through piping up to our mixer. This is our VeraFuel mixer that takes the incoming gas, mixes it with the air to get the ideal mixture of air fuel going into the 4 turbochargers that Todd told you about earlier. So, what does all that tech get you? It gets you fast starting times, fast transient response. It gives you operation that rivals a diesel generator set. Why do you care? Because all too often in the past, we used diesel generators in situations where we didn't have the confidence in natural gas systems that we have now. So you talk about life safety systems, NFPA 110 type applications where you need to start. We have a patented fast start fuel system on here. We can start this generator up and ready to accept load in under 8 seconds. We also have the ability to run in demand response applications. We can be in data center continuous applications. We can be in hospital applications. We can be in any place where you would have used a 1 megawatt diesel or larger system in the past. When you get into life safety applications, data centers, demand response applications, applications where you need to run for long periods of time, this is your product. We give you the transient capability, we give you the long run time, and you have all this tech for a long life of reliable power.
Thanks for joining us today. We look forward to working with you on your next big power project. Come check us out on our website.